So what should you do if you cannot search on TikTok? Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'll guide you through the steps on what are the possible things that you can do if you are not being able to search on TikTok. So make sure to watch the video till the very end. If you'd like to fix if you're not being able to log into your TikTok and maybe you're not being able to search, first of all open the TikTok application and then just sign into the account. To search for a specific person or a content, you just have to tap the search icon from the top right hand side of the screen, and under it you'll simply be able to go ahead and then actually make sure to search for a specific song in this case. Now let's say you are not being able to look for a specific song. What do you do in those cases? Well, in those cases what you have to do is, very first thing I want you to do is just long press the TikTok app icon here. Once you long press the TikTok app icon, just tap the I button to come to the app info page, and then you simply want to go to storage, make sure to clear cache, and also make sure to clear the data. Once you clear the cache files of data, and then I'll also want you to open up your Play Store. In the search box, just go ahead and then type in TikTok. Check if the TikTok app has an update, and if it does, then definitely make sure to update it to the latest version. Hopefully one of these may have helped solve the issue. If it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.